Please help me.
To get to the Bibliography tool from your personal page, click on this Bibliography icon. During your first visit to the Bibliography, you will be given this warning about saving your work. Simply click that you understand after reading it. Create a new bibliography in order to start entering sources. When you do that, you'll be asked to decide if it's an MLA, APA, or Chicago style, and what order you want things in. If you want this to be shared with your instructor for feedback and grading, then select the radio button for the class you're in. Then click Create Bibliography. In the tool, you'll click on Add Source. You'll be asked to select what type of source. The Studio lets you add several different types of sources. Keep that in mind as you do your research, because if you're just looking at websites, you're probably not exploring all of your options. Now click Continue. In this second step, you will enter your information. It's worth noting that this is your chance to really get to know the source as you enter it into the bibliography. Learn about the publisher. Find out as much as you can through Google searches about the author of the text you're citing. Finding out if a source is peer-reviewed or learning about an author's credentials can help you get better at evaluating sources. Once you've filled out the form, click Add Source Information. Now you can continue working with the source or return to the bibliography main page. When you continue working with the source, you'll see an option to update the citation, which will return you to the page where you entered the information. You can update an annotation, which means that you can add information for an annotated bibliography. You can update an evaluation, and you can also add source content. If it's a full-text source, you can copy and paste it directly into here and save it on the Studio if you wish. From this page, you can manage and add notes. You can delete a source, copy a source to another bibliography, or from this page you can also add another source. Wherever you find yourself in the bibliography tool, you can always click on this folder hierarchy to return to the current bibliography or the main bibliography tool. Just click on this update icon in order to return to the page where you can update the source. And now you know how to create a bibliography and add and update sources in the Studio.